We want to simplify tan squared theta take away 1 minus cos squared theta over 1 minus sine squared theta. We know the identity sine squared theta plus cos squared theta is identical to 1. We can rearrange this to give sine squared theta is the same as 1 minus cos squared theta, and the top line can also be rearranged to give cos squared theta is the same as 1 minus sine squared theta. So if we substitute in to this expression, we get tan squared theta, take away the 1 minus cos squared theta can become sine squared theta, and the 1 minus sine squared theta can become cos squared theta. We also know that tan theta is the same as sine theta over cos theta. It follows that tan squared theta should be the same as sine squared theta over cos squared theta. So this expression becomes tan squared theta, and the sine squared over cos squared is tan squared theta, and so we get 0.